All right, let's see what's going on with Ethereum overnight. Price action finished. These are the original markings from yesterday. Finished at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll do this a little bit more higher like that. And now it is correcting. It is, you can tell by the pattern and the sequence of the waves and the timing that it's pretty much following Bitcoin. This time around, it does not have the baton where it used to for a little while led Bitcoin. Now, this symmetrical triangle is also pretty similar to Bitcoin. However, this is not an ending diagonal because the earlier waves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 does not break down into 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 subwaves. But does it matter? No. I mean, if Ethereum was exactly the same as Bitcoin, it wouldn't be Ethereum. It'll be Bitcoin. The reason why there is quite a bit of similarity is because of is what I call the all the same market. Many people call it that in the stock markets. Robert Prechter calls it that also. And that means that sentiment is pretty uniform across the market. So across the crypto sphere, it's quite apparent that what's happening is that the similarity index is that much high compared to Bitcoin, because many of the owners of Bitcoin also own Ethereum. And that is why the social psychology of these two coins have very high similarity index, and that is why the reflection of that kind of sentiment on the price action shows a similar degree of similarity. Okay, so just as a review, we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the C wave. The final subwaves of the blue 5 of C were put in 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 3, ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for white wave 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the first round of impulse has completed. And the correction since then has already been in progress since early this morning, or midnight, or whatever the time frame you might be. And if that's the case, let's take out the Fibonacci chart and see what kind of a retracement we can expect. So if 0.61, 0.786, on this one too, I am going to circle, no, not that one, both the 0.6 and 0.78. Because most likely it'll go somewhere in between the two. And I would draw the ABC. I think these are the subways of A, get a B bounce, and a C. Should look like that. And yes, similar to Bitcoin, and I gave you just earlier the reason why there's that similarity index in sentiment. Ethereum could also pattern out a downward wedge, and that would be in effect a fractal of this. Okay, now, if it has put in one round of impulse, then a very nice confirmation would be to see a second round of impulse. Something to this effect. So then now we have first round, ABC, and a second round, which in effect really becomes wave 1, 2, and 3, which probably will be higher than this. But we'll leave it there for now. But for this current ABC micro minor correction, it could go to 527, but stab a little lower potentially as well. but it could also just go to 0.618, which it already has almost already, but I believe there will be a bounce and one more lower low. However, the direction of the change will still probably be up to the upside. Okay, so here is the bull flag pattern as well. So what needs to happen? It needs to break through this purple line of resistance. And that is currently sitting at 596. And at 596, this second round will easily enable the breaching of that. Very similar rationale, but not exact as Bitcoin. So I think I'll just move this here like this. There you go. Because time has elapsed, so you have to move everything, shift everything to the right on a projection point of view. All right, I hope you found this to be very helpful. Have a wonderful day.